What is Unraid? Unraid is a flexible and user-friendly NAS operating system designed for efficient data storage management, virtualization, and Docker container deployment. It provides the perfect balance between simplicity, performance, and expandability for home and professional use. LincStation N-Series and S-Series NAS devices come with Unraid OS pre-installed on a USB drive. Inside your product box, you'll find a card containing a starter license activation code for Unraid. If you encounter any setup issues, please contact our support team at support@lincplustech.com. Let's get started. Step 1. Create administrator account. Make sure your NAS and computer are connected to the same local network. Open a web browser on your computer and visit http://tower.local. You'll see the Unraid login page. Enter the default credentials. Username, root. Password, 123456. Once logged in, you've successfully set up your administrator account. Step 2. Activate your Unraid key. We suggest you start with a 30-day free trial before activating the starter license included with your LincStation NAS. To start the free trial, after logging into Unraid, click the Free 30-Day Trial button. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin your trial. To activate the starter key, in the top right corner, click Purchase. Enter the 10-character activation code printed on the card inside your LincStation package. Click Confirm to complete activation. Warning: make sure the activation code is entered correctly. If you encounter any issues, please contact support@lincplustech.com. Step 3. Create your array. Unraid Array is a flexible storage structure that lets you combine drives of different brands and sizes into a unified system. 1 or 2 drives can be designated as parity disks to protect your data from drive failure. For example, if you have 4 drives installed, 1 parity disk for data protection, 3 data disks for storage. If one data disk fails, Unraid can rebuild the lost data using parity information. How to create the array. In the Main tab, you'll see sections for Array Devices, Pool Devices, Boot Device, Array Operation. Under Array Devices, assign your drives, choose 1 or 2 disks as parity disks. Parity disk size must be greater than or equal to the largest data disk. Assign remaining drives as data disks. Optional, under Cache Devices, select an SSD to accelerate file writes and application performance. Scroll down to Array Operation and click Start to create the array. During array creation, the fan noise may increase due to temperature rise, which is normal. Once initialization completes, the system will return to normal operation. Let's exploring the Unraid interface. After setup, you can explore the Unraid web GUI to manage your NAS. 1. The dashboard gives you a real-time view of LincStation NAS. You can see CPU and memory usage, storage, network activity, plus your Docker containers and virtual machines, all at a glance. 2. Shares let you organize and manage your storage easily. You can use user shares or disk shares, depending on how you want to access your data. 3. The Users section lets you add and manage accounts, and set different access permissions for each user. 4. The Settings tab is where you configure everything for your system, from core Unraid functions to network services like VPNs. User preferences such as display and notifications, and even plugin management tools. 5. The Plugins section lets you view and manage all the extra tools you've installed to add more features to your NAS. 6. The Docker tab lets you manage all your containers. You can start, stop, or tweak their settings right from here. 7. The VMs tab lets you create and manage virtual machines. You can assign CPU cores, memory, storage, and even pass through a GPU if you need extra performance. 8. The Apps tab is basically the Unraid App Store. With over 2,400 community-made apps to choose from. You'll find everything from media servers to backup tools, home automation, and more. It's an easy way to expand what your NAS can do. 9. The Tools tab gives you quick access to everything for system maintenance, customization, and updates, all in one place. 10. The System Shortcuts menu gives you quick access to key functions, like the terminal, file manager, logs, notifications, help, feedback, and logout, all just one click away. 11. The account options are in the top right corner under the menu. Here, you can manage your Unraid account, license key, and Unraid Connect. If you're on a trial, this is also where you can redeem your license. 12. The status bar shows the health of your array and any ongoing tasks, like parity checks or mover operations. Some plugins can even display system temperatures and alerts right here. 13. Just click Manual. This is basically the official, ultimate guide for Unraid OS. It covers everything from getting started with the initial setup to advanced feat. 14. This is Unraid's official community forum, basically the hub for Unraid users worldwide. Here, you can ask the pros for help, find solutions to issues, or share your own tips and plugins. Whether it's an installation error, a tricky setup, or just checking out how others have built their awesome Unraid servers, this is the place to be. In short, besides the official docs, it's the must-have living encyclopedia and help center for every Unraid user. That's all about Unraid OS on LincPlus-Tech NAS. You can begin storing data, deploying Docker apps, or creating VMs with full control and flexibility.